Hi, this is Murray from Second Time Tech, and today I'm going to be talking about videos. Well, I'm going to be trying to do some video editing is what's going to happen. I don't have a capture card yet, so again, I can't show you, but hopefully you'll be able to see the results and hopefully they'll be alright. The way I'm going to do it is I use a program called DaVinci Resolve, and I was watching tutorials on it, and I've found out how to like cut pieces of the video out and cut pieces of the audio out, and how to do titles at the beginning of it, or pretty much anywhere I want in it, of course. But and also how to fade the titles in and out. So I'm going to be trying some of that on this. So hopefully that'll work out okay. Now, the way I'm going to do the cutting out of the audio and the video is I'm going to say some words, and then I'm going to cut the words out in between, and hopefully that'll work out okay. So what I'm going to say is Second Time Tech YouTube channel. Now, the actual words that I had actually said was second was time is tech, then YouTube our channel. Now, hopefully all you heard was Second Time Tech YouTube channel. I'm hoping that's what you're only going to hear from the first part and not hear those other words. The words was, is, then, are. Now, whenever I do my video editing, I have to sync the audio up with the audio from the Nikon camera, and then I have to delete the audio from the camera. Now, when I do that, it is synced to the video, and I can take parts of it, like at the beginning of it, out, and parts at the end of it out, but I have to do them separately. Now, whenever I do the cuts, like take the words out, what I have to do is I have to cut the video part out, and then I have to cut the audio part out, because they're not linked together. They're synced, but they're not linked. And I haven't learned how to link them yet. So hopefully that'll be in one of the other tutorials that I watch on it. But I haven't got that far yet. So that's why I wanted to use some words to go along with it, so to make sure that I can get the audio totally out and the video part of it out also, like having to do them both separately. And for the titles, I'm hoping that it works out okay. It should look a lot different than it did the last, well, the times that I've been doing it now. I won't have that card at the front of it. It'll just be titles over me talking, I guess. Anyway, so hopefully that'll work all right. Well, we'll see. They say the proof is in the pudding. Well, that's a really old saying, but I'm not young. Anyway, I want to thank you for watching and listening. And if you like the video, would you please hit the like button? And subscribe if you would like to have more of my videos. The other thing that I'd like to say is I want everyone to have a wonderful day. Thank you again for watching and listening. Bye.